Push on then. Yes! Good! Oh, shit, yes! Go on! We'll be out there. You can watch. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Gonna have a look at Nesta's scoops.
Do you still do her tattoos on the back?
Did she? Yeah. Wanna go and have a look? Oh yeah. Gonna go down that way. Yeah. And then back up. Should we go for a walk?
I'll have to roll my pants up first.
Ah, right, okay. Look at the dog. Hello, boy. Hello.
Does it look bizarre?
Looks fine. We're going to the hard sand, shall we? Oh, you never guess what? Oh, hello.
I think it's this like.
I've got the batteries. Oh! Oh no!
I know, it got me as well.
You done? What's this place called, Lee? Ceres. Ceres. In Cardiff. City Road. Enjoy, guys. Ready to get them big Bristol Channel cod, eh, Lee?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. We're going to meet the boys in a sec. And then we're going to get everything ready to... What are we doing? Going in for breakfast first, is it, Lee?
Might be, I don't know, we'll see.
Alright. So yeah, Cardiff Bay. Nice and early. The magpie just landed in that tree there, just saluted it. That means a cod's coming. I swear down, cod's coming. 100% it's going to happen today, I reckon. I've just got a feeling cod are just going to be coming up. I've just been crashed into already by shots.
Good start to the day.
Good start to the day, eh? Hey, good luck that is, bro.
Literally.
These boys are getting a pint at 7 AM. Hey Lee, you're gonna get that 7 AM pint, yeah?
Just refused us.
No way, no way. I want to give a big thank you and praise to these boats, okay, the paramedics and safety boat Nutmeg 2, followed by the committee boats, Confidence and Pebbles, and lastly, the first aid boat there. Literally. Look at these boats. What are your predictions, Shawnee boy?
Biggest cod, £20.
£20? Come on. Beast. Where's your boat, Sean? Down here, yeah. Nice. Nice one, mate. Cheers. Yeah? Can they, the big ones come in here though, don't they? Just roaming for bait, easy fish.
I've been a dock over there.
Yeah.
They float fish with live roach.
Yeah, yeah.
They catch bass.
I've seen them coming up on the fishing pages, and people have been laughing.
In the dock, yeah.
People have been laughing because it's a roach.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And you're catching them bass on the roach.
But,
Oh yeah, like my boys, they're on the live prawn, and I don't do that really. I think it's too easy. Do you know what I mean? But they're pulling like 30, 40 up each a day on the live prawn. That knocks it for me. Like, makes it a bit boring. Do you know what I mean? I don't really like to pull out. I like poaching them and finding them and sussing it out and looking at the seabirds. And, do you know what I mean? And the tides and where I think would be good. Yeah, exactly. Wow. Look at that. That's smashing that, boys. Well done. Well done, boys. That's looking brilliant, that, you know. I'm telling you. Smashed it. Smashed it, boys. Look at that. Beast. Yeah. Cheers, brother. Yes.
Have you been on your before?
I have, yeah, but I totally forgot about it, you know, how it looked. Yeah, I totally forgot. It just looks like a different boat now. Right guys, a quick overview on the gear that I'm using. So it's a Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2 rod, 20 to 30 pounds, and the reel is a Penfathom 2 Casting Special loaded with 52-pound braid. Now guys, this is going to be a really good video for you all. I've spent my time you know, clipping it up and getting it right, so please like, comment, share, do what you need to do and just get the video out there for me. And yeah, I think it deserves a like and a comment. So thank you very much and hope you enjoyed the video. All the best. Here we go. Oh, I nearly had his phone off. Do you know, like that? Do you know, there, like that? And you kick it out. Like that. You right, you leave?
This one, yeah.
Hello.
Good. The main thing is, right, the heater's working, and an anchor up, close the door, make a coffee and chill out.
Good luck. Go on. Go on. Everyone's going off to their different marks now. Where are we going out to, Lee? Which direction would you say?
Just off Penarth.
We're going off that way, are we? Ah, right. Nice, nice. The lads going to do their bit of research in here, are they? Come on. Go on, let's get baited up, boys.
Nice, yeah.
Nice one, mate. There we have it, guys. There's bait presentation. We've got squid mixed with some rag. Wow. That's proper, that, mate. That's sound, that. Buzzing. Right, let's get rid of this one for a minute. Come on, the boys. I've got a good feeling anyway. I have got a good feeling.
your rod's going.
Huh?
Mike,
Is it?
you ain't going out.
No trick.
Did he look as well? Oh. Look, I'll set my drag like this. So that's what you'll hear.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah. That's what you'll hear. Them gloves all right?
Huh?
Them gloves good?
Yeah, much better.
I reckon when it starts turning,
Yeah, that's when we found that we've got a lot before, when it started.
like 2 hours on the up. I'm just gonna have a look and see what's down there. Like, yeah, there's loads of room in there, isn't there? Yeah, nice. It's a lovely boat, this.
Go buy it?
Yeah. Yeah. Cheap enough, yeah.
Cash.
Cash. Yeah. It came out of my pocket, hit my leg. It was one of them ones, like, ugh, and it's just gone off my knee. Oh, bite. Come on.
No, that's not right.
See that?
Don't rush him as well. You got to let him.
Look.
Let him hang on to it.
Look.
Oh, that's.
Yeah.
Let it develop.
Yeah, I will. I'll let it hook itself. I'll just tighten the drag.
Come on.
Because you'll get on him early and you'll just fly out their mouth.
It's a hard one. You might let it develop and you
Yeah.
might miss it.
Yeah.
And if you don't,
But you're more
you know what I
likely
mean?
to
Yeah,
miss it
yeah.
if you strike at that.
Yeah.
Not strike if you're really into that.
Yeah.
How did you meet? How come you came over to the... We were young and ambitious, Michael, and we wanted to build our lives together. So it's offered us the opportunity to do something different with our careers. So we moved 6,000 miles, trading the, I suppose, the tropical food from Malaysia.
Come on.
Reaching our heads. Can we swap? That's a really brave thing to do. And were you both...
It could have been something tiny, bro, like
Yeah,
whiting or
whiting.
something, trying to get it.
That's what I'm thinking.
But it's a good sign there's something out there, isn't it? Talk to me.
How did you meet? And how come you ended up...
Look at that driftwood there.
Look at that.
Going in the direction of my line as well. You'll see my rod in a minute go. Yeah, I'm going to check it now. He's put tariffs on the UK.
Yeah, it's terrible. He said one.
All right, that.
Oh, right. Where to? Where is that?
Clamart, Josh.
Have you? Nice. Nice.
It's not big for the boss man, is it? Hey.
You tell you're a bass fisherman straight away.
Did you see that big bass he caught last year?
I got a little flapper scratcher. I'm gonna go and catch them.
Has that got a memory card in it? I think so. Stop raining a bit. That'll do for now. That was a lot of pressure, that. Okay, now.
So how did you land that then? Did you land that like yourself? Or?
Yeah.
Did you? Was that recorded then?
No fish just yet. But we're trying another spot, aren't we, Lee?
Yeah, we are. Big spot waiting over there.
Hopefully the next spot can produce some decent fish, man. That's what we're on. Ugly Stick GX2, £50 braid with a running pleasure. There we go, there's the rig. On with a big squid bait. There we go.
Yeah, come on. Out down. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on.
There we go, hit the bottom there. Let's go. Yeah. Huh? Did you say, Sean?
First catch of the day.
Come on.
Sea snail.
Sea snail, is it? Ah, yeah.
That'd be nice.
That like this. Oh, that rod's fish on then. Yeah, go on, lad. Come on! Ah, come on! Oh! Got to keep the wood this time. Come on. Yeah? Yeah? Oh wow. Come on. Yeah, I've got it. Come on. Alright. Come on. Might be a ray, yeah. Oh, wild cod. Oh! Oh! Yes! Go on! Yes! Go on, mate. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. That's a £7 of that, mate. £7 of that. Easy. Let's have a look at that, boy. Wow. Well done, mate. Well done. Okay, ah.
Just get a photo shot. It's good. Hang on.
Yeah.
Got it?
You've got the wrong hook, you bastard.
Lovely.
Hang on, give my phone shot.
Yeah,
I got the camera on this week, yeah.
Yes,
That's crazy.
they're here.
The cod's here.
They're here.
You are?
Yeah, for me.
Well done, mate. Well done.
HARI-BUOY duties
Beauty.
again. Wow.
Right?
That's it. I'll be able to snapshot that anyway.
That's a beauty.
Wow. Well done, man. Well done.
Clasping. Yeah.
Can you measure it? That's got to be 60. That's about 64. That, you know, 64 in a back. I reckon it's about 7-8 pounds. That.
Yeah.
Big belly.
Oh.
£8 there.
Yeah, mate, that's £8 there.
Well done. I'm buzzing. I've just seen a fish, boys. Especially one like that. I'm over the moon, man. I was so paranoid netting that fish then, thinking, because I tried to get it so it's like goes into the net, because this water drifts fast, doesn't it? I didn't think of that. I was like, oh. Yeah, mate. I don't know why the hell I grabbed that net. Yeah.
They got moles like hoovers, that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah.
That's 2 squid in there. Oh, Josh.
Lovely.
That's the one. That is the one. That's the prize shot, that.
Yeah, literally.
The prize shot.
That's clean.
Yeah, yeah. When I seen it, it sort of came up and went back. I was like, it's fucking cod. You know, I seen dotted spots.
Yeah, you did,
Oh,
didn't you?
oh,
I thought you would have said it was a cod. I was like, no.
Oh, you got egg?
No.
And then,
That's the main level, isn't
Let's see.
it?
Wow. Nice.
Well,
You've even got the hooks in
Oh, did you have a bit of razor on there as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Keep the hook.
Yeah, I was stuck on something down there. That's definitely a coral reef down there. 100%. We're on the reef.
Nice flaps, right?
who's that in front of us, mate? Who's that in front of us? I don't know, mate.
burgers on board.
Look, let me get.
Beauty.
Gee. See what magic he's cooking up here. Look at that. Boom. Come on, lad. Should get a job on the cruise ship.
I know.
As a chef.
Oh, lovely burgers as well. Wow.
Big burgers, my friend, you know.
Come on.
Waterstones, is it?
Yeah, we were gonna go there, but
Nice books, you mean?
Tash, yeah, she read loads of books.
Mental health nurse.
Yeah, but she's gonna write her own book and that. She's already come up with loads of her book. She's the type to make a book and become like a millionaire. Yeah, people used to get her to read their books before it was published, so she could give feedback on it and that.
That's good,
Yeah. This one here. Go on.
Yes.
You in?
I'll take a try, Rosie.
Scratching her. Sweet.
Yeah. What's that, about 120 grand?
Oh, Liam. I'm sure it went then. Unless I'm seeing things.
You sure?
Yeah.
The water, I told you boys, there's no water, we'll be the fish. Yeah.
Still yet to catch that elusive cod, Lee. Next time. 100%. Lovely. That's it, boys. Nice and tidy. Boom. Luck of the draw on the day, innit, bro? Luck of the draw. The two brothers didn't get any today, but we're coming back, Sean and Mike. We're coming back.
Certain parts are like the UK. That's all we're looking for.
When they go out.
Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Happy days, eh, Sean?
Good day's fishing, mate. Good day's fishing.
His dad, the skipper's got this fish. Unbelievable.
The codfather.
The codfather, yeah. Nice one for today, Mike, for being the skipper, mate. Top man. I'll be buzzing to come down again, mate, on this boat. Yeah, so give me a shout when you're thinking of coming down, going on it again, all right? Right, guys, that's the competition wrapped up. Cardiff Bay Yacht Club Cod Comp 2026. I hope you've enjoyed the video up until now. It's been a good one. There's only been one fish caught, but it doesn't matter. Still an 8-pound cod, which we're very happy about. So we're going to head into the place now, and hopefully we'll get the results soon. So stay tuned. Yeah, that's the one.
So, that's good. 45 cod competition.
Yeah.
Wow.
First place.
I think there's been some very generous donations to make the raffle. And just a very quick recce. It looks like we've raised £700 for the RLI today. So thank you everybody. That's brilliant. Well done. And I'm looking for the green bucket. Where's the green bucket with the raffles in? So we need somebody to pick the raffle ticket. We've got a Daiwa kit full of fishing tackle and slosh reel in there and some angling clothing equipment. So I'm looking for a volunteer to come and pick out one ticket. Anybody coming forwards? Rob, you've been pointed at. Oh, sorry. So this is our new sponsor from Fenix, Rob. So welcome and thank you very much for your generosity. So Phil, if you can let Rob pick a ticket and let's see who's the winning kit today. So the ticket number is...
It's orange 531 to 535. Orange 531 to 535.
531. No.
No. Orange. These got orange. Orange over there.
Hello, I think we've got the winner in the middle of the bar.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, so yeah, it's the bag here on the end of the table. But well done, thank you. Okay.
Without you guys, you know, I couldn't have done many. So thank you very much for all your support. Well done.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in reverse order this year, and we were lucky to at least get 10 fish to the scales. I think some fish came in were just under the 1.5 kilo. But it's nice to see some cards coming in, especially in January. So we have to go to a raffle for the prizes 10, 9 and 8 as per the rules. So everybody's got a little chance. And I'll just get the jar. So we've taken out the 7 people who've got a fish on the scoreboard. So we need to pick out 3 raffle tickets. So I'll ask Tony to just go around and randomly get someone to take a ticket. So what number you got, Tony? Okay, so hold on. So this is for the 10th prizes. So I'm just trying to unfold this at the same time. So the ticket number is 115, and that's on Paul's Ackerman's spreadsheet. So it may take a few minutes. So the person who has won this has had a rod which has been donated by Rob Rennie from Lady Joan. You may have seen that nice little catamaran in the car park or out today. And we're also going to donate a book on how to catch cod. So for the 10th person, this was written by Terry Theobald. And he did a presentation talk earlier this year with us.
Yeah.
So the winner is 115, and the name is Kay Ewins, and he is on Aquila. So it's on the boat Aquila. Is anybody from Aquila here? Boat Aquila? Okay, well we'll put the prizes to one side for him because it's off his lottery, it's off his ticket. The next number we're picking is number 67. It's been picked. So again, it's on Paul's spreadsheet. 67. So that's John Pinch on Roxy Lady. So John left. What would be the 8th place is number 53. In 8th position, we've got prizes which have been donated. By Baits to Go, which is a head torch. So it's a nice piece of kit from Fenix. So glad to see that some of our tackle shops are also supplying us with Fenix. So that's great news, Rob. So congratulations, there's a head torch for your lad from Fenix, and they're a really good piece of kit. So well done. Okay, so we're now going back onto the scoreboard now. So this is not the lottery now, this is the actual fish that have been brought in. So in 7th place on Pembroke X-Blazer was Reese Phillips. Reese, you caught a cod of 1 kilo 5 1/4, so 1,525 grams. Reese, are you about?
Yeah, we'll go over.
Hi Reese, well then, congratulations. And Reese, your prize is a standard tuna rod from Angling Supplies. So it's this one.
Nice.
Yeah. So congratulations, you're now set up for tuna fishing, I hope, in the summer. And Reese, there's also there's also a prize of a charter trip on one of the charter boats. So again, you can pick one of the charter boats, which is from Whitewater, Stormley Charters, and nice to see Stormley coming down to support us from Swansea and also from Cardiff, and Sea Leopard as well. So in 6th place was Alex Pearce on Aftica. Congratulations, Alex. You brought a cod of 1.85 kilos from scales. Congratulations. If you could come down, that'd be fantastic. So Alex, you've got a donation of a life jacket. Hopefully you don't going to need it, but that's from Full Sport. Congratulations. And also a choice of a charter trip on Storm Leaf or Sea Leopard. In 5th place, we have on Hunter's Moon, Gary Addis. Gary brought a cod of 2.175 kilos to the scales. Congratulations. Well done there, Gary. And Gary, you've got a donation of a milk from Angling Supply, from Gary Evans, and also from Terry regarding how to catch fish. And also there's a voucher for Snowdon's for some squid or some other fish. But congratulations and well done. In this year's 48th Cod Comp. 49th, 48th it is. It's 48. That's an office very blurry. Okay. So we're into the top 5 here. So in 4th place on HARI-BUOY was Mike Falcon. 3 kilos. Mike. That's a popular clap.
Go on, Mike. Go on, lad.
So Mike, you're in a fish rod, which this has been donated by Baits to Go. No. Third one in there. So Team X Rod, and again, this is one of our key ski supporters of Baits to Go and Daiwa, and great supporters of our club. That's it. So congratulations.
Alright, I'm going to do a wide leg.
Just in your back.
Okay, so we're into the top 3 I've just tagged from Fenix to help me with the sponsorship.
Congratulations, mate.
The torchlight. I think this is a fantastic piece of gear. So in 3rd place on Pembroke Export, we have Uma. So Uma, I'm going to ask Rob if he can help with this and with Phil. So Phil, we've got the shield for 3rd place, or the plaque, so this is for you to keep. Congratulations, Uma. There's also the Fenix light from Rob. Thank you very much, Rob. We've got the Lowrance piece of kit, which is a fish finder. I'm not sure you're going to need that, Uma. And we've also got the prize money as well, and the prize money is £200 in 3rd place, and
I think it's divided between 1st, 2nd, 3rd prize pot, or amongst the lot.
They said when we walked past them, it was second until someone else.
No.
That's good. And there's £200 prize money. So congratulations, Uma. And I think you won the Summer Comp 2 years back. So going to be quite a key fisherman for our farm club. Well done, Uma.
I think you got 10 people.
Oh yeah?
Next to us.
It's Jack Beecher. Jack, well done. Where are you? So, Jack, in terms of 2nd place,
I know.
you get the lovely hat fitted by Phil. There's the head torch from Fenix again, and again, big thank you to Rob for the support, and the plaque, which is there for you to keep, with our sponsors' names on there, Fenix, Lowrance, and Daiwa.
That's the boy.
We also got the Lowrance kit, and hopefully keep asking me how to set this now, because that's what you usually ask me on most of these kits. And there's £300 in cash prize as well, so congratulations. Not a bad day's work, even though it was tough conditions out there today. Well done.
What type? Is it a boat rod? Is it?
On the floor. Okay, nice to see another club member in the top of the scoreboard. Well done. So, after a tough day's fishing, and I'm really sorry we had to cancel the competition back in November. We're glad we got it away. I'm sorry about it. It was miserable out there in terms of rain, and the fish weren't in the numbers which we're used to over the last 3 or 4 years. But it's very clear there's some decent fish out there every now and then. And the winner today in the 2025 48th Cod Comp is Dale Cavana on Prowler. Congratulations, and a really good cod, 6.2 kilos. Well done, Dave. That's all.
That big boy.
So in the prize pot for Dale is a Lowrance 9-inch Eagle fish finder and chart plotter, sponsored by Lowrance. So it's a decent piece of kit.
I would have liked to have known.
There's also from Fenix an HP 35R, which is a really powerful. How far do these shine, Rob? 450 metres off these head torches, so I don't think we'll get lost out there. We've got the plaque and the shield for coming in first place. So there's the shield. We'll get that engraved, and if we can have the shield back next year, that'd be great. But there's a plaque there, Drew. Remember the competition and congratulations. And we've also got, when Phil stopped chatting, it's £1,000 in cash as first prize. Well done. There's also a book there from Terry Newbold as well. And if I just introduce Tony Collar. Tony ran the pool today, the team or the dibbler, and I think it's quite a big number. And it was £1,090 in the pool. We had 37 boats enter the pool. Congratulations. So congratulations. It's not a bad payday today. Over 2,000 quid in cash and some decent kit. Congratulations, Dale. Well done. Just before we wrap up, just a big thanks to the committee. It takes a bit of organising to get this competition away. And I'd also like to thank CBYC, the club, the bar, the staff, the general manager for helping organise a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Hopefully we'll see you in